My name is Spoonman1 and I'm going to show you my Hot Wheel collection. Here is my first car. It's called Olds. Next cars are Mustangs mostly. Next car is a BMW. Next car, a Pontiac Firebird. These are all Fords. Next two cars, Porsches. I got one Corvette Stingray, Lamborghini, one of those. I got a Bugatti Chiron, Bentley, Continental. These are all my Ferraris. These cars are all Dodge Vipers. Next cars are Camaros. This one right here is Concept. Nissans. Volkswagen. NASCAR. Cadillac. Mazda Fury. IndyCar. These are all police cars. Like, this one is like this, so weird. And then I got a semi. Thank you for watching this video. Comments, questions about any cars that you wanted to see more. So, I'll do some reviews on some of them. But, thank you. Bye.